Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope that you are safe and doing well. Today I will upload the video on for loop. So first take a look at for loop. So over here there are three main key points related to for loop, that is initialization, condition and updation. So let's see that what is initialization, condition and updation. So we'll come over here and type int I equals to 1, I greater than equals to 10 and I plus plus and south I. Now we will compile our program and see the output. Now you can see that the first 10 natural numbers are printed, but instead of this, if I change this condition to minus minus, then the loop will be wrong because it is I greater than equals to 10. So if you will compile a program, the loop would run automatically and I may stop this program, otherwise the fans of my laptop would start spinning and my computer would fly off like a drone. So you may not try this, because after trying this your computer's fan may start and it may fly off like a drone. So do not try that, because the loop would run till infinity, but not actually infinity, as power of int is 2 to the power 16. So it would run until 2 to the power 16 only, because after that we cannot store any more number in the int value. So a for loop is usually used to execute a piece of code for a specific number of time. Now we will do a first question, which is wrap to print the first n natural numbers using for loop. So to print our first n natural numbers, we would have to enable the scanner class, which is scanner ss. You can take any other name over here. I am taking ss. You can take your name also here. Like I have taken my name, equals to scanner equals to new scanner system.in and semicolon. But I won't prefer it because your program may get lengthy, so I would prefer shorter names only. So south, enter a number, and int n equals to ss dot next int, and now instead of 10 we will write n over here and recompile our program. So you can see that our program is compiling, and first you would have to input a number, like it has asked us to input a number. So I will input 8, and you can see that the loop has executed for 8 times over here. Now we will learn the decrementing loop. Means to print the number in reverse order. So we will put the bigger number over here and change the condition to smaller than equals to, and over here minus minus. Otherwise again the fans of your laptop would start spinning and your computer would fly off like a drone. And we will compile our program. So you can see that our program has been compiled and it is asking for entering a number. So I will enter 7, and you can see that the loop hasn't executed as I wished, because I have written the statement wrong. Sorry, the program is right only over here, because I had because I had inputted 7 and the program ran from 10 to 7. It means that we had inputted 10 minus 1 equals to 9, then 9 minus 1 equals to 8, and 8 minus 1 equals to 7, and our program stopped at number 7, which was n, and we had inputted our value of n over here as 7. So you can see that our program had executed correctly. Now we will go downwards, and over here our program is to print first 10 natural numbers in reverse order. So over here we will bring this code in statement, and this also, and over here instead of n we will write 1 and run our program. I will give you some more questions in the description below, which you would have to solve and upload in the comment section. So you can see that our first 10 natural numbers have been printed. Now we will try to print a table of any number which you want. So I will reconsider this, and over here where we had written enter number, we would write enter the number of which you want to print the table of. So over here we will enter our number, so plus plus. We will run our program normally with 1 to 10 and then change the condition in the coding area below. So over here what is basically, it is 1 into 1 equals to 1. So over here we would have to use both string and integer together, for which we would have to use the operand plus. So now we will do that over here in our area. Now we will print the value of n over here. So n plus string brackets, and we will print this into over here, because we don't want to do that multiplication over here. So we will print the multiplication sign, then again plus to connect string and integers together. Now you can see it overwritten over here. So over here this would be common, 1 into 2 equals to 2. So you can see that this 1 remains common. So I have inputted the value of n directly over here. Now we'll print the I, so that this our number prints over here. So I. Now we will again open the string brackets and combine them. Now over here I will print the equals to sign and again plus, and to print this 1, 2 and again 1 into 3 equals to 3. To print that I would need to multiply I into n. So we'll multiply this I into n, and compile our code. So you can enter any number over here. I will enter 2, and you can see that the table of 2 has been printed over here. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 6 12, and like that. So like this you can do anything and you can play with this loop, and I will post many more programs like this, and you may post the solution of those programs in the comment section below. Thank you.